Pterodactyl here, and today we're going to check this thing out. Check this out. This is called a struck. You know, like I struck you with a hammer. A struck, I guess you would call it a combination because it's got a bucket on the front and a backhoe on the back, and it runs on tracks. It's a pretty neat little piece of equipment. It came in for repair, and the repair is the carburetor. It got a bunch of crap accumulated in it over time, and it started running like bad, so we had to take it apart and do a carburetor overhaul on it. We'll show you a little bit of that in a second. But this thing is powered by brakes and scrap 'em big block Vanguard, and here's a shot of it in here. So we replaced all the fuel lines, the fuel filter, we added a shut off, put a set of plugs in it. It had a bad connector on one of the spark plugs, a bad terminal. But this is a Struck MH7000, if that means anything to y'all. To me, it's just a big yellow piece of construction equipment. Mini construction equipment. But it's pretty cool. It's got some outriggers on here to stabilize it, and you can swivel the seat and control it from back there. Now, we don't have any dirt or anything around here, and I don't have any kind of property that I could take this thing out to, or even a trailer big enough to haul it. So we could do some digging and stuff with it, but I got an idea we can have some fun. So here's the carburetor. It's just a 2-barrel Nicky 6. Typical Nicky 6 belongs in the scrap barrel. 2-barrel carburetor. We've got a video on one of these carburetors because it's the same, basically the same carburetor that's on an Intech twin. And we got some repair parts, so I'm not going to bore you with putting this all together. You can watch that other video. So I'm basically going to put this carburetor back together. We're going to stick it back on there, and then we're going to go strike something with the struck, and then you'll know it's been struck. Once I strike it, it's been struck by the struck. Get it? Okay, we got it running, and it runs real good now with a clean carburetor. So let's have a little fun with this baby. Now bear with me, I'm not a heavy equipment operator, so you can make fun of me in the comments on how I'm operating this thing, but with practice, I'm sure I'd be good. So this is what we're gonna do. Start it up. was fun. Smashing up old junk. This thing would come in handy around here for cleaning up the yard. But it's not mine. It's a customer's, and we got to give it back to them. But you know what? We got to test it out, and that's the only way I can test it. Now, I know what you grass rats are saying right now. Oh, the humanity, you just ruined that tractor. I needed one of those tractors. I needed parts out for one of them. Not me. Look at it. It's done some work to that thing. Yeah. Smashed it up good. Good for you, craftsman. To the scrap yard with you, craftsman. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. I'm Taryl, the poor heavy equipment operator. I'm not very good at it, but again, if I had some time and some practice, I bet you I'd be a pro. I'd be spinning around picking up. What do you want? Scared the crap out of me. Now I gotta go change my drawers. Go to our web store, buy some of the stuff we got there, like this beautiful shirt I'm wearing. Isn't it beautiful? One of these would look good on you. Follow me with your struck construction equipment on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Got struck with the struck. Struck some stuff with the struck. It's indestructible. It's a struck. All right, Elkskins, clean up this mess I made. I'm going back in the shop. Junk, junk, junk belongs in the scrap barrel. Junk, junk, junk. Nikki 6 in the scrap barrel.